Alright guys, welcome to Chef Carlton Just Good Cooking. Today is going to be my first culinary lesson. I won't be doing that much of a cooking today. I'm just going to be showing you guys a technique, and this is how to tie a pot roast. Now if you're going to roast the meat, you get some butcher's twine and we're going to tie the meat. One of my subscribers was asking me how do I do it, and I told her I will feature it on my channel so she could see. So here we go guys. Alright, so you're going to start with your butcher's twine. Make sure you got nice length. So you're going to start by going under the meat, coming up. You're going to make a knot. So you're going to do is you're going to go around your fingers, come around, make a loop, you're going to pull, and you're going to adjust. And if you're left-handed, you guys you make it on your left-hand side. If you're right-handed, you make it on your right-hand side. Alright, so you're going to keep this piece up. It's very important to keep this piece up. And then you're going to do like this. You're going to make a loop like this. And you're going to go under the meat. Then you're going to adjust and pull. And you're going to use this side for the angle, this side for the tension. So you pull this side to get it moving, this side to get it straight. Alright, so you want to make sure it's aligned with your first tie. Again, another loop under the meat. You can just repeat this process for however long the meat is. This is a small piece, so oops, I think I missed that one. So you're gonna make a loop under your meat. And then you pull. Notice everything is straight and even. Just come again, loop, under, and pull. Again, adjust. You want to make sure it's even. I'm trying to get the same space between each row. Alright. It's not so hard, guys. Trust me, once you practice this a few times and you master this technique, you guys you'll get it. So another loop under. You're gonna pull, adjust, pull. While you're doing it, you could straighten. You're not supposed to be too tight, but you're not supposed to be loose either. Because the whole idea of doing this is to keep the meat, so the meat keep its shape when cooking. So guys, if you're doing a competition, it's a good technique to use. Show that you know what you're doing. Show that you care about the meat. Show so you got some knowledge. So we're gonna make one more loop. Whoever's making that sound. You're gonna pull. Alright, so now we're just make sure that's tied. Then we're gonna flip them over. We're gonna take maybe this much off. And we're gonna cut. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go under and over and pull. We're gonna repeat that process. So we're gonna go under, over, and pull. I'm gonna keep that straight and firm. Under, over, and pull. Guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, share this with your friends. Share my channel, help me get some subscribers, because I'm just trying to reach as much people as I can with, culinary tips, pointers here and there. Repeat the process, of course, free. So, reach the end. So thank you guys. I'm gonna flip them over. You're gonna take this piece and then we're gonna tie these two pieces together. That's why we didn't cut this piece off. Just gonna go ahead and tie these two pieces together at the end. And that's it, guys. Alright, and that's it, guys. Nice thigh, ready for roasting. And as I said before, guys, if you have a competition, you could do this. It shows that you have some knowledge, shows that you care about your product. It shows that you know some techniques. So, guys, just hit the subscribe button and stick around, guys. I have a lot more culinary one-on-one coming your way.